Here are my 2025 real estate market predictions. The real estate market next year is expected to bring improvements in inventory levels, addressing pent-up demand from buyers. As the inventory grows, sellers will need to be realistic about pricing, especially if supply begins to outpace demand, which could put downward pressure on home prices. More homeowners are likely to list their properties for sale next year. The lock-in effect, where homeowners are hesitant to give up their 2 to 3% mortgage rates, will begin to wane. Life changes such as job relocations, marriages, family planning, aging, and other milestones will increasingly motivate people to sell regardless of what mortgage rates are doing. Home sales are anticipated to rise at a steady but moderate pace, creating a more balanced market between buyers and sellers. Buyers will benefit from the highest inventory levels seen since 2019, offering more options and less pressure to make rushed decisions. However, affordability challenges remain as home prices are approximately 50% higher than pre-pandemic levels. On the positive side, new loan limits for 2025 provide buyers with greater flexibility. In Clark County, conventional loan limits have increased to $806,500, while FHA loans are capped at $524,555. Mortgage rates are expected to remain in the high 6% range throughout the year, with the potential to dip lower later in the year, depending on Fed policies and broader economic conditions. The Federal Reserve is likely to continue gradually cutting rates, but as seen in recent months, lower Fed rates don't always translate to lower mortgage rates. By the end of 2025, average mortgage rates are projected to reach around 6.34%. Lawrence Yun, chief economist of the National Association of Realtors, notes the new normal with mortgage rates will be around 6%. Consumers are adjusting to these rates, and many are beginning to accept 6 to 7% as a standard. Increased housing inventory and job growth will drive home sales. Buyers are advised to remain vigilant for rate dip opportunities and consider negotiating seller credits for rate buydowns, which remains a good strategy in this market. Nationwide, home values are projected to grow by 2.6%, slightly exceeding the growth seen in 2024. And smaller homes are poised to become a dominant trend, driven by rising demand for affordable and sustainable housing. Listings for smaller homes increased by 35% in 2024, and this trend is expected to continue as builders prioritize smaller, more cost-efficient homes to meet consumer needs. The luxury and ultra-luxury home market, particularly in Las Vegas, is expected to remain very strong. The migration of buyers from high-tax states like California will continue to fuel the luxury segments. Overall, 2025 looks promising for both buyers and sellers. While affordability challenges remain, increased inventory and stabilizing mortgage rates will make it a good year for real estate. Whether you're buying or selling, the key to success in 2025 will be strategic decision-making and staying informed about market opportunities. Have questions? Just reach out.